Grab your phone and go to the Google Play Store as a first step. The next step is to get some free software downloaded. You are rewarded a staggering $500 at level 3. It is really quick and easy and doesn't involve selling, videos, recommendations, or challenging setup. You can complete the process in 3 to 5 minutes regardless of where you are from. If you have a smartphone, you can immediately start making $500. I'll provide you some very creative tips on how to increase your income, along with thorough instructions on how to avoid those mistakes. Seize the chance if you want to outperform them, because you can make more money doing it than they can. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Let's view the video now. The first app that lets you make money online nowadays is called PhoOp. The large collection of this app contains thousands of millions of distinctive, high-quality and high-resolution photographs. There are two types of people on the PhoOp app. Those that want to buy various photographs comes first. Tens of thousands of people use their phones to conduct internet shopping each day while looking for various photographs to purchase. Sellers are the second group of PhoOp users. This program works just as intended, and they are making money by selling their photographs. You don't have to be in front of the camera. You don't have to shoot any of the pictures. You don't need to be good at graphic design, and you don't need to know any technical stuff. I'll share a couple of top secret websites with you right now where you can find a ton of done-for-you, high-quality automated photographs that you can submit again and post on PhoOp. You might have swiftly earned your first $100 up to $400 by the time this video is over. You must click the button before choosing Sell Your Content from the menu on the PhoOp.com homepage. You'll arrive to this page if you do that. For iOS and Android services, the PhoOp app is accessible. Simply perform a search for PhoOp in Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Make sure this logo is present in the application you download. If you have an iPhone, you can easily download PhoOp from your App Store by going there. The software is totally free. I only want to quickly show you the complete library on the PhoOp website. People are selling a ton of high-resolution, high-quality images on this website and making a ton of money. I enjoy PhoOp since they actually do provide passive income. Even a week, a month, a year, or even 5 years after you upload the images to this platform, you can still earn money and commission from this website. The images you upload and post on your phone will stay on PhoOp as long as it is still possible to access it online. Millions and millions of people explore and purchase on PhoOp every single month to find new photographs to buy. And then they actually do. Again, you're not obliged to create and capture any of your photographs. At the conclusion of this video, I will demonstrate a particular technique. Assume that this is one of the pictures people are selling on this website, and that each picture costs $10. You might be interested in learning how much money this website might make. Since you can easily post your films and photographs and earn money doing it, I want you to take a look at this. You and PhoOp will each receive 50% of the earnings, with the remaining 50% going directly into your account. Since they will automatically sell the photographs for you, they are selling 50% of your profit from you. A well-known website with millions of visits. PhoOp selling various photographs that you upload on this website, so you won't have to do any of the laborious work yourself. Copy the photos and put them on this website, and you can start earning passive income every day. I want to show you something really cool that it is on this website. In addition to selling the pictures, you have the option of joining several tasks. You can join a huge variety of missions by just uploading various photographs under the topic they provided. When you submit different photographs to different missions on this website, you have the opportunity to win additional money. I'll list a few websites once again where you may find finished artwork of the finest quality that you can copy, paste, and resell on PhoOp. Before I tell you the secret one, go to Shutterstock.com to view another website where you can also make money. The website can be compared to PhoOp in several ways. People come here every day to buy different images from their enormous collection of diverse, high-quality, and high-resolution photos. Additionally, you're able to contribute and upload some photographs to Shutterstock. Then, you might just start sharing your photos for profit. The nicest feature about this strategy is that you may concurrently upload the same image to PhotoUp and Shutterstock. The more websites you sign up for, the more money you will make because some people will go to PhotoUp to buy your photographs and other people will go to Shutterstock to buy them. The same technique may be used to copy and paste different photos and produce different passive income streams. Simply clicking this button will take you to a page where you may register for a free account, which is all you have to do to get started once more. By providing your full name, display name, and email address and password, you can create a free account. As I promised, I'll walk you through a few websites where you may locate and free download high-resolution photographs. Its domain name is burst.shopify.com. There are numerous high-resolution photographs that range in quality, and they are divided up into different groupings. Women, fashion, fitness, and working from home are a few examples. There are various categories with totally free stuff that is of the highest caliber. An investment or a credit card are both necessary. For instance, I'll be directed to this website when I look at this category. These are all the photographs that, depending on whether you are using a computer or a phone, can be downloaded with only one click. There is just a big selection of high and low resolution photos to pick from. I strongly suggest you to get a high resolution photograph if you want to make money on many websites. I'll also give you the option of pickwizard.com. Once more, this website offers a selection of premium, cost-free stock photos. More than 1 million unique, high-quality photographs are available for free download on this website. You are not necessary to take any of the photographs and you don't need any technical expertise. This is a more efficient and logical way to go about it. This page would be displayed if you clicked on the image. The download button can then be clicked to download the file to your computer or mobile device. Once you have successfully downloaded the image to your computer, the next step is to upload it to Shutterstock and PhotoUp. You can start receiving daily royalties and passive income at that moment. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.